Coming up on today's Panther Beat, our wrestling team has been hard at work.
And speech and acting team wraps up their season.
Your Panther Beat starts now. Hello, I'm Kylie Lorenzo.
And I'm Dylan Heilman, and this is your Panther Beat for Wednesday, January 21st.
The wrestling team celebrates senior night this Thursday. Here's Kylie with a look at the team.
Wrestling is life.
Emotional.
Mental.
Grit. You gotta have a lot of grit to be able to wrestle.
Determination.
Tough.
Mental. It's all mental.
It builds the best people.
The O'Fallon wrestling team has been hard at work preparing for their last home meet.
We're starting from a base.
Our goal for this season is just keep growing the sport of wrestling. It's a tough sport. It's a sharp learning curve. The team culture here is more family driven than anything.
We support, we scream, even when we're losing.
I feel like this year we definitely created a more homey room where everyone can kind of rely on each other and lean on each other as if we're family. I started wrestling my 8th grade year because of a guy named Coach Dennis. He really convinced me during my football season and pressed me to start wrestling. Mental, the physical aspect, you can kind of get over, but if you aren't able to overcome the obstacle mentally, you won't ever come on top.
I started wrestling because my brother started doing wrestling after COVID, and so I just joined with them.
I started wrestling to get more college opportunities and to make myself a better person.
The grind of wrestling is probably the hardest part. Takes a lot of effort, a lot of dedication. Our senior night is on Thursday, so hope to see y'all there.
January 22nd, 2026.
Make sure to come out and support our Panthers on the 22nd. This is Kylie and Kenna signing off for Panther Beat.
Be sure to pop out at the match tomorrow night and support the seniors.
The speech and acting team completed at Belleville West over the weekend. Congratulations to Mickey Basket for breaking into the finals and placing 7th in the dramatic interpretation competition. Any students interested in joining next year should stop by room 200 and talk to Miss Flowers. Milburn students should find Miss Neely with any questions. Now let's pass it over to Eddie with your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Eddie with your Panther Sports. A huge shout out goes out to the boys bowling team, which is the youngest team in OTHS history and has captured the IHHS Regional Championship, competing against 11 teams at the West Park High School Regional. The Panthers rolled over 6,000 total pins in over 6 games and earned a spot in the Mount Vernon sectionals this Saturday. In basketball news, our boys had a great comeback win over Belleville East, defeating the Lancers 59-57. Senior Calvin Dees hit a 3 to send us to overtime, and Benacuro iced the game with 2 clutch free throws.
All right, down courtside, big overtime win against East. Benacuro, you picked up the game-winning free throws. How does that feel?
It feels amazing, man. It just feels amazing. You know, recently I've been struggling from the free throw line, so just to come up clutch and hit them whenever it matters, it means the most.
That's awesome. And Muniz, how proud are you of your boys?
Absolutely. I'm so proud of them. It was all them. They came back. They had the heart to do it. And like I said, this is something that progresses for the rest of the year.
Our Panthers look to continue the momentum this Friday as they travel to St. Louis to take on Miller Career Academy. In today's sporting events, our girls bowling team travels to Collinsville to take on the K-Hawks. Good luck to all our sports teams. Now over to the Panther birthdays.
Hi, O-Town. I'm Cecilia with birthdays for Tuesday, January 20th. Happy birthday for yesterday goes out to Zariah Bean, Lydia Kinsella, Jackson Lazenby, Simon O'Neill, Jesse Pinkerton, and Aaron Warhoover. And special happy birthday to faculty member Miss Bear and Miss Jordan. Happy birthday for today goes out to London Branch, Taylor Clay, Elysia Dopkins, Juliana Clover, and Dylan Leveling. And special happy birthday to faculty member Miss Hercules and Mr. Orwig.
Thanks guys, I'm Carlos with your Panther birthdays. Happy birthday for today, January 21st, goes out to Yalisha Barnes, Parker Livy, Liam Imani, Stella Roach, Chloe Vest. And a special happy birthday to faculty member Mr. Copeland, Mrs. Lüchtermeyer. That's all from me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Girls track and field season begins today if interested. Come to the practice today after school in the Smiley Panther Dome. Freshmen can ride the activity bus. You must register on Family ID and have a current physical on file to practice.
Key Club meets this Thursday in room 412. You'll have a very special guest speaker, the Illinois Lieutenant Governor. As always, there will be snacks. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.